Hello everybody, thanks for tuning in. So today's episode we're doing a PS5 with a bad HDMI port. However, it fell so hard it's literally leaking liquid metal out of the bottom. It's not the first time we've come across this, but it's very time consuming. We'll also be doing a deep cleaning while we're in there. Chunky Cam 2.0. God, look at all that liquid metal, dude. Yeah, there's more right there. It's gonna be a real fun one, you guys. We'll be taking care of all those chunkies too, as well as the power supply, which surprisingly isn't that bad. Surprise, surprise, more liquid metal. Alright, we got most of the liquid metal cleaned up. We gotta give it one more sweep, and then we gotta clean up that grime. Alright, so the chassis is all cleaned up. Surprise, surprise, more liquid metal! But wait, there's more! It's not perfect, but it's about as good as it gets. But wait, there's more! Yeah, it's all over the board. It's all throughout there. It's all up on those. I don't know, man. I don't know. Hopefully we can fix it. And of course there's the opposite side. And then also, obviously going to be displacement. It's about as good as it gets. It's about as good as it gets. Alright, and that's about as good as I could get all that. All in that power rail area. I'm pretty heavily concerned. Well, the good news is no torn pads. However, the 0201 capacitor did not survive the impact of the fall. Will need to be replaced, so I'll update the client of the small price increase. And I'm pretty sure I did this before, so I'm going to do it again because I'm pretty sure it worked last time. But I put the 0201 on there, and I'm going to actually use the heat from underneath to attach the HDMI port as well as the 0201 capacitor. Let's go ahead and dig in. Sorry about that. Alright, we are back in action. Thanks for viewing. Be sure to drop a comment Smash that like button. If you like what you see, be sure to subscribe as well as smash that bell notification so you don't miss any new videos. Thanks again for tuning in.